Welcome back. In our previous video, we uncovered the 5 most common reasons why automatic cars get stuck in park, ranging from excessive parking pawl pressure to brake switch failures and even transmission problems. Many of you asked, how can I stop this from happening in the first place? Well, as promised, this follow-up video, Stuck in Park Part 2, is dedicated to prevention. In this video, we'll break down 5 essential tips to keep your automatic transmission from getting stuck in park. By applying these simple but critical habits, you can avoid frustration, protect your transmission, and ensure your car is always ready to move. Number 1. Always use the parking brake correctly. This is the single most important step. When you park on a hill or an incline, the proper way to do it is to engage your parking brake. Handbrake first before shifting into the park push P position. This transfers the vehicle's weight to the brake assembly instead of the transmission's parking pawl. This simple step can prevent excessive pressure that often leads to a stuck shifter and helps avoid automatic transmission problems. Number 2. Check and change your transmission fluid regularly. Your transmission fluid is vital to the health of your car's transmission. It lubricates and cools the components, ensuring everything works smoothly. Fluid that is old or low can cause excessive friction and heat, leading to premature wear and tear on internal parts. For proper automatic transmission care, make sure you check the fluid level and condition regularly. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedule is a key part of preventing automatic transmission problems. Number 3. Keep the shifter area clean. The shifter mechanism is sensitive to debris. Spilled drinks, dust, or food crumbs can get into the small crevices and jam the internal components. By keeping the area around your shifter clean, you can prevent physical obstructions that can cause the shifter to get stuck in park. Number 4. Operate the shifter gently. Avoid slamming the shifter or moving it too quickly. Always apply the brake fully and move the lever with a smooth, deliberate motion. Rough handling can damage the small components inside the shifter or the transmission itself, which can lead to future problems and cause the shifter to get stuck in park. Number 5. Pay attention to early warning signs. Your car often provides clues before a major problem occurs. Being an observant driver can save you from a major breakdown. You know that feeling when something just doesn't seem right with your car. Listen to that feeling. If your brake lights are out, it could mean a faulty brake switch. And that's the little part that tells your car it's okay to shift out of park. If the shifter feels stiff, loose, or makes a weird clicking sound, don't ignore it. And if it's getting just a little harder to move the lever out of park every now and then, that's your car telling you a part is starting to fail. Catching these small issues, like replacing a brake switch, is so much easier and cheaper than calling a tow truck because your car won't move at all. And that wraps it up. 5 simple but crucial habits to stop your automatic car from getting stuck in park. Taking care of these small issues is much easier and cheaper than dealing with a broken down car. By following these automatic transmission care tips, you can prevent bigger problems and help keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Remember, Small habits like using your parking brake correctly, keeping the shifter area clean, and noticing early warning signs can make a huge difference. They don't just save you from stress, they protect your car and your wallet. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy and practical car care tips. Thanks for watching. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you out on the road. See you in the next video.